Hi all, in this video we'll see how to create a virtual environment for Python in a particular desired folder. Let's start. So in whichever folder you want to create a virtual environment, just head to the folder and type cmd in the address bar. A cmd will pop up. Now, in order to see what versions of Python you have installed on your local system, just type py space minus 0p, sorry, py space minus 0p, and this will show you the different versions of Python you have installed on your local. So for me, I only have installed 3.7. I'll just copy the path of it and paste it over here and do minus mem venv venv sorry venv and the name of the folder for my virtual environment. Let's say I want to name it my env. Why did I copy this part? So it says the virtual environment that will be created will be of version Python 3.7. If another version was present over and I would have copied the path of that particular Python, then that version would have been installed as a virtual environment for me. Let's close it out and see a folder has been created as my env, and this is the virtual environment over here. Head to the head to the folder and to the scripts and just click on cmd over here. What you can see is there's an activate command over here. If we write activate, my virtual environment has been activated. If I want to see what kind of packages are installed, then I'll just write pip list, and only initially pip is installed. So if I want to install any of it, I'll just type pip install pandas, and it installs pandas over here. I have already installed a virtual environment for myself. So if I go over here and I select env and scripts, so this is the environment that I'm currently using. In Spider, if you want to change your environment, just head to the settings over here, go to the Python interpreter and click on use the following interpreter, and just give it the path of the scripts in python.exe. For that, for me it is in this environment and in scripts, and this is the Python itself. Click on apply, click on OK, and now just quit this kernel. The kernel will refresh and it will be heading to the Python that you have directed it to. Okay, thank you for watching this video.